Hi everyone, today I'm going to review my Honda CRV 2070 Gen 4 1.6 diesel all-wheel drive 9-speed automatic lifestyle package with real and Alcantara leather combination. This car has automatic headlights, turning headlights, airbags for all sides, reverse parking camera, parking sensors. I bought it approximately with 130,000 kilometers, which is about 80,000 miles. It also has automatic shifters behind the wheel, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, dual zone climate control. I owe this car 4 years for now. Please watch whole video for all pros and cons. Buckle up and ready to take off. Hi everyone, today I'm going to review my Honda CRV 2017 used car. I bought this Honda CRV 4 years ago. And now it has 165,000 kilometers, which approximately is 100,000 miles. Generally, I'm very satisfied with this car. It has 9-speed automatic transmission. It has all-wheel drives. It has 1.6 It has 1.6 cubic centimeter diesel engine with 160 horsepower. It is pretty nice daily driver. I drove it in all conditions. This Honda is very good on snow, on ice. It has great tires with all-terrain tires, General Grabber 83 tires, and so now I'm very pleased with it. But when I just bought it, there was some problems with it. First, when I bought it, I have problems with losing cooling liquid. When I go to service, they inspect everything, and they told me there was problem with head of the engine. So they decided to put new head of the engine when this car had 130,000 kilometers. So that was the first major problem, but fortunately Honda paid that service, so it didn't cost me anything. So okay, let's go on. A few thousand kilometers after that, I start to experience issues with transmission. When I was trying to put in reverse, there was some strange sound like tuk. You know, when something bump inside the transmission. So I went to service to inspect that, and they said it's a problem in gearbox and reduction for low ratio speeds. So they advised me to change the whole freaking gearbox, the whole transmission with reductions and lower speeds. I told them already I changed a few kilometers ago head of the engine, now transmission. What kind of car is this? Problems all the time. But I haven't other choices, so I need to accept that. And they told me that will be under the warranty So the Honda paid change of transmission and that reduction. After that, car is now pretty good now. I have some small minor issues, but that is nothing expensive. Like I change some part of the turbine which was blowing air improperly, so I have to change that. I pay that about $500, and only for few years I had only regular maintenance. About half a year ago I was start to experiencing coolant leaking. I found a coolant leakage under my car, so I went to service and they said you need to change new radiator. So I have to pay radiator and change. That's all about, I don't know, about $300. After that I wasn't really experiencing no problems no more, only regular maintenance. Now this Honda has 165,000 kilometers, 165,000 kilometers, which is approximately 100,000 miles, and now it is running like a new. I don't have any problem with it. The Honda is very good with handling. The Honda is very comfortable, and all-wheel drive system is great on snow and ice, and on the huge inclines especially. I went multiple times to snow, mountains, icy roads. I really satisfied with this, especially with this tire setup. I run it on a General Grab It 83 tires, so I'm super pleased with that tires. My next thing what I want to put on this Honda CRV is a nice roof rack, so I can put some things on it. And one other thing that I want to add to my Honda CRV is side bumpers, so to add it a little more off-road look. That will be my next investment for this Honda, but generally now I'm pleased with it, and I think this is a really great car, this Gen 4 Honda CRV. So in my next video I will make more detail of my Honda CRV review. So if you like this video, so please like this video, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.